Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve LRDI set based on binary logic. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us. Our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for the video. So the question says that 5 persons A through E belong to an island where all the inhabitants are alternators. That is, they tell the truth and a lie alternately in any order. The 5 persons were ranked from 1 to 5 in decreasing order of their heights. A numerically lower rank is considered better than a numerically higher rank. That means a rank of 1 is better than a rank of 5. Okay. The 5% made the following statement in the same order. Okay, now for each and every person we know that either the first statement will be true or the first statement will be false, and similarly based on that the second statement will be false or the second statement will be true. But we do not know about any of the statements. So what we can do is we can assume in the first case we can assume that A's first statement is true whereas second statement is false, and accordingly we can check all the other statements made by other people. Okay, if this case satisfies, well and good. If it doesn't, then we will have to go to the second case where we will consider A's first statement to be false and the second statement to be true. So we will be beginning with A's first statement to be true and second to be false. So let us make a table there. So we have A, B, C, D and E. Okay. And we have A's first statement as true whereas second statement as false. Here we have written all the heights because we have to find out the actual heights. Okay, the ranking. So A says that I am ranked better than B. Okay, and we are taking this statement as true. So if A says that I am better than B, that means A cannot come over here. That's for sure. Then he says that C is ranked third. This is a false statement. So that means C is not going to come over here. Okay. Acha. Read the other statements. So B says that D is ranked third. We do not know anything about it. He says that E is ranked worse than D. We do not know anything about it. C says I am ranked better than D. We do not know anything about it. Then C says A is ranked worse than E. Do not know anything about it. D says that E is ranked third and I am ranked fifth. Again, we do not have any information about this. E says that I am ranked better than A, and E says that A is ranked fifth. Okay. Now E says that A is ranked fifth, whereas we know that A can never come fifth. So that means E's second statement is false and first statement is true. Okay. So first statement is true means I am ranked better than A. That means because A cannot come over here, E cannot come over here, whereas E cannot come over the fifth place, and also E will not come over to the fourth position. Okay, so E cannot come in these two positions without because of this statement. Let's move ahead. Let's see what else has been said. See, if you check for C, C says that A is ranked worse than E. Now we know that this statement is true. Okay, we know that this statement is true because E has already told us that. So it means that C's first statement is going to be a false statement. So if C's first statement is I am ranked better than D. So what we know is that C is ranked worse than D. Okay. Let's move ahead. Now D says I am ranked fifth. Okay. D says that I am ranked fifth, and we know that D is better than at least one person, even if it's C. So we know that D is better than at least one person. So D cannot come over here. But D is saying that I am ranked fifth. So that means the statement is a false statement, and the second statement is going to be a true statement. And what is the second statement? The second statement is that E is ranked third. So if E is ranked third, that means E has to be better than A and A has to be better than B. So EAB will occupy third, fourth and fifth positions. Okay, let's move ahead. Let's see what has been said. Okay, regarding D, and we have to find out regarding D and E. Acha, we have already found out that D is ranked better than C, and because only the position 1 and 2 are left, so we can definitely say that because D is ranked better than C, D is going to take over the first position, whereas C is going to take over the second position. Now we are left with the statements of B. We have to identify which statement is true and which statement is false. So let's read the statements. So B says that D is ranked third. We already know that this is a false statement. That means the second statement is going to be definitely true. We do not need to check for it. So with this, a set is complete. Now we have the heights in we have the heights in the descending order. So we have the people's ranked over here. We have the statements. We know which statement made by which person is true, and we know that the statement which one is false. Okay. So now we can move towards the questions. So who was ranked fifth? So we can see that B was ranked fifth. Okay. Second question, how many of the 5% told truth first followed by a lie? So truth first. So he told the truth first and he told the truth first. So that means there are two people. Okay. Coming to the third statement, if E made a third statement immediately after making the two statements mentioned above, which of the following statement can it be? Okay. Acha. Now see that E's third statement has to be true because they are alternators, so E has to speak a true statement. So out of these four, we have to check which one is a true statement. So it says that B is ranked better than A. We know this is a false statement. C is ranked better than B. We know this is a true statement. A is ranked third. We know it is a false statement. I am ranked better than C is also a false statement. So the statement which E can make is going to be the second statement, that is option number B. Okay, that is C is ranked better than B. So with this, our set is complete. Thanks for watching the video, guys.